Our mission of the company is just to deliver authentic Jamaican food at a reasonable price and maybe just a glimmer of what Jamaican food has to offer for those in the DC area. My name is Brian Chin. I am the CFO of Negro Inc., and I've been doing this for about 7 years now. So in terms of menu items, what we're most known for is our Jamaican beef patty. We have our jerk chicken, our jerk wings, oxtail and goat, cabbage, rice and peas, the beans that go in there. On average, we serve about 2,000 meals per day across our 4 locations. The stress of running a restaurant on a day-to-day basis is just at its all-time high. All that I'm trying to do for my staff is make their lives easier, and Rationale has made it where everything is consistent every single time, less stress, less chaos, less heat load in the kitchen. Our cooking time for cooking chicken before was close to 2 hours. Now it's like 35 minutes because you have steam, you have heat, you have a probe. You can just knock things out really quickly, and the staff absolutely love it.
Before we were using traditional convection ovens. Now that we're using Rationale, it makes our lives a lot easier.
That is more efficient, save time, less work.
It gives us the capacity to control and regulate the product so we can recipe out, which makes me super excited because as Jamaican restaurants traditionally, it's a very slow process. And so just to be able to say, hey, here you go, in a minute, have this rice and peas, it makes me happy. I love connected cooking.
I wish every piece of equipment had some sort of connected cooking so you can zone into a particular location, find out what oven is doing what.
If we want something to adjust, we just call Ryan and he just adjusts the program to our liking and push them out to each stores.
It just makes it easier in terms of knowing the consistency of your product. It's consistent at multiple locations. If you have a stressful life right now, it can be less stressful implementing a piece of equipment like this. If I were to open another restaurant, we would definitely have Rationale ovens in it. I wouldn't start another restaurant without it. You need this to make life easier. Obviously, these are big investments, but if you're able to make the investment, it will definitely pay off. I think that's the main driver, just a second pair of hands in the kitchen.